Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on our final approach and we will be landing in a few minutes. Please check that your seatbelts are securely fastened. We will now be dimming the cabin lights. Mga binibini at ginoo, sa loob ng ilang sandali, tayo po ay lalabag na. Mangyari po lamang panatiliing nakakabit ang inyong seatbelt.
Ladies and gentlemen, please be reminded that bringing down of any airline property such as lifeless and magnets is strictly prohibited. And for passengers requested special assistance, please leave last. Please remain seated until all passengers have disembarked. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, you have just landed at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. Ang aming Ninoy Aquino, kalalapag po lamang natin sa pandaigdigang paliparan ng Ninoy Aquino. Maligay pagdating sa Maynila.
Just landed. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and do not remove your carry-on baggage until the aircraft has come to a full stop and is properly parked. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. We look forward to seeing you on one of our future flights. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. Mga binibini at ginoo, kalalabag po lamang natin. Mangyari po lamang manatili na nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong mga seatbelts. Huwag po munang kunin ang mga hand-carried baggage hanggang ang ating eroplano ay ganap ng nakahinto. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Inaasahan namin na muli tayong magkikita. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
For passengers with connecting flights, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival area for assistance and information regarding your onboard connecting flight. And for passengers requested for special assistance, please display mask for proper endorsement by your cabin crew to the ground staff. On behalf of Captain Gana, First Officer Bermeo, and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Asia's First Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. Check your timepieces. It's now 20 minutes past the hour of 6 in the evening. Once again, from Philippine Airlines, thank you and welcome to Manila.
Pagkamihan iyo maupay nga pagkarawat haamon. Hinaot unta nga magkirita pa kita, ang iyo mga tiarabot nga pagsakay.
Kahit tayo, taktuman.